What's up, guys? This is Hamlet News. Anker is best known for its high-quality wireless chargers, power banks, and cables, but the gadget accessory behemoth has broadened its product portfolio as of late to Bluetooth speakers, portable generators, and other electronics. The Nebula Capsule is another fairly new product for Anker. It's a smaller, cheaper version and more refined model of the $600 Nebula Mars that Anker released last year. The Nebula Capsule is a $300 portable projector that is advertised as the world's most advanced pocket cinema. It's the size of a soda can and can produce up to a 100-inch screen. It also has a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker. It has a HDMI port so you can connect a laptop or video game console, but it can also work as a standalone device. It has built-in Wi-Fi and runs on an Android 7.1 operating system. The Nebula Capsule is easy to use with no elaborate setup process. It's surprisingly fantastic for enlarging presentations from your laptop and playing retro video game consoles. It works well for streaming sporting events and TV shows too. For apps like Netflix, you can download shows directly to the Nebula Capsule and watch them later. It can make a great travel gadget for business professionals. I see this as a fun party gadget for anyone who wants to have a temporary big screen on which to watch games or shows or play video games. They shouldn't care too much about picture quality and should be prepared to use the Nebula Capsule in a fairly dark room if they're looking to make a really big screen. Alternative options are relatively slim at this time. The AAXA M6 produces a higher resolution picture, but it's not as portable and significantly more expensive at $599. That about wraps it up, guys. Thanks and have a great one.